I got this from eBay for like $8. It is a fisheye lens and it's really super cool. I only use it when I do videos though, because when you take photos, it has the like vignette around it, but that's OG. I only need it for videos anyway. I'm going for a run. I'm going to listen to Yes Please audiobook version thing, and then I'm going to come home, shower, clean up, read, and then eventually head up to Mount Gambier to go and see all the guys. You're not my cat. Is that bad luck? Yeah. I haven't been doing much vlogging today because I've basically just been in bed reading The Hunger Games. I finished it in one sitting and I really enjoyed it. So that's a good thing for today. Basically what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go to the Mount, go to Mitch's house because he's at GovHack at the moment and I think he's kind of stressed out. So I'm going to go to his house and make tea for him and hang out there for a bit. Okay, so today everyone is going to Mitch's house and we're all kind of getting together. It's crappy weather outside. It's like been pouring all morning, but that's okay. So I'm gonna go fill up my car and head up to the Mount.